Hi everyone! Blessed evening po sa inyong lahat. My name is Charmaine.
My name is Precious.
My name is Jericho.
The question for today is, what is your favorite Bible verse and why?
Okay, I'm gonna go first. Alright, so my favorite Bible verse is from 2 Corinthians 12 verse 10, which is says there na, "For when I am weak, then I am strong." So, beyond our capacity, we know that we are limited. And according to John 15 as well, sabi dun, di ba, ay kapag wala ang Lord, ay wala tayong magagawa. So, in reality, we have weaknesses. Kumbaga, we are literally weak. And it is only the Lord who allows us to live a life that is pleasing to Him. That is why, yung verse na yun, nagre-remind palagi sa akin that in every time I am feeling weak, not just in the physical, in all aspect, every time I feel weak, I know that I can find strength in the Lord. So that is why.
Amen.
It's your turn.
For me, my favorite Bible verse is Romans 8:28, where it says that all things work together for good to those who love God and to those who are called according to His purpose. Because sa buhay natin, hindi laging pare-parehas yung nangyayari. May ups and downs yung buhay natin. Sometimes you are on the top of the mountains and sometimes you are in the valley. So, regardless of different situations in our lives, sa iba-ibang aspect ng buhay natin, minsan masakit, minsan masaya, minsan malungkot. Sa kabila ng lahat ng yon, kung nasa Panginoon ka, since the pen is in the hands of God, He can create a beautiful story out of what's happening in your life. Napaalala sa akin ng Lord na may purpose ako, may plano ako. And that's the hope na napangahawakan ko. Kaya gising ko ng umaga, meron akong pag-asa kasi alam ko na nandyan ang Diyos at may ginagawa siyang maganda. So thanks be to God sa kanyang mga salita. Amen.
Sa akin naman is yung Proverbs 3:5-6. Actually, ang dali lang sabi ng mga verse eh. Pero iba talaga pag talagang may pinagdaan akong experience dun sa verse na yun. Yung verse ko na yun is, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not in your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will make your path straight." Tapos, bracelet ko pa siya. So, almost 2 years sa akin yung bracelet na to. And it really reflect on to me. Kasi yung word para na trust in the Lord with all your heart. May mga times na dumedepende ako sa sarili kong lakas. Na minsan, di ako nagkatiwala sa Lord, nagkatiwala sa sarili ko. Yun. Kasi lean not in your own understanding. Minsan gumagalaw ako sa sarili kong ano gusto, sa sarili kong paraan. Minsan, kapag nag-feel ako, minsan biniblame pa si Lord. Pero actually, tayo na may kasalanan ng mga bagay na yun. And yung pangatlo is yung seek Him in all your, seek Him in all your ways. Sa bagay na yun, totoo yun eh, na lahat ng bagay na meron ako, thankful talaga ako kasi pina-experience ng Lord sa akin yung mga bagay na yun. Kasi I seek Him, and marami akong bagay na ine-expect. Marami akong bagay na ine-expect na hindi nangyari. Pero marami akong bagay na hindi ine-expect pero nangyari. Kaya which is, I'm really grateful in the small things. Kaya doon natutuwa na He make our path straight. Kasi damandama ko yung grace ng Lord, damandama ko yung sustainability, yung pagmamahal niya throughout the years of my life. Kaya yun sa bagay na yun, malaking impact sa akin yung word na Proverbs 3:5-6.
Amen.